Today we're going to be talking about the ocean currents. Also, we're going to be talking about what happens when hot water and cold water mix together.
The things that you need for the experiment are a baking dish, hot water, some ice cubes. If you want, and if you can put a map, it's optional. And yeah, now let's go and begin our experiment.
Before we begin the experiment, we must talk about ocean currents. So, in this world map, this shows all the ocean currents in the world. So, as we all know, in the North Pole and in the South Pole, all the water there is very chilly, while all the water near the equator or on the equator is very hot. Now, as the water starts moving, when the water starts moving, this cold water and warm water meet together, and when they mix, they create a current. This current goes on and on and on, like all the circles you see here is been going on forever. So you see the South Pole, the water is going towards the equator, and the water from the equator is going down towards the South Pole. Some are anti-clockwise, like this one right here, and some are clockwise, like with this one right here. Let's start the experiment. So I have this hot water and I have some ice. This hot water represents the warm water near the equator. This ice represents the cold water near the North and South Poles. So I'm going to be pouring the hot water first. Okay, I poured all my water. Now we should put all the ice in the water. Iran, you could pour all the ice in this side. I'll pour it in this side. The reason why we're pouring ice near the sides is to represent would be the South Pole, this would be the North Pole. Okay, so as you see, all the ice is moving in like a rotation. Now, as you see, the cold water from ice is mixing with the hot water. And when this happens, it creates a current. Now, the cold water, it's more denser than the hot water. So it stays at the bottom, while the hot water stays at the surface. And when these two, the cold water and the hot water, slowly start to mix together. And when they mix together, they rise, pushing all the cold water away towards the side. This creates a current. And these currents are an example of the ocean currents.
Did you see all the color of the ice melted down? And this is because of our friend density. Our friend is cold water that is denser than hot water.
Thanks for watching. Hopefully this is clear about the ocean currents. See you guys next time. Bye.